Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let's talk about doing a hard reset on several devices. The following devices all have the same reset sequence: the fixture adapter, relay adapter, and the line of 12-volt powered sensors. Let's talk about doing a hard reset on this device. What is a hard reset? It's a sequence of events that you can do physically to the device to set it back to factory defaults. We recommend hard resetting as a last resort, as this will remove all schedules and settings. You will have to re-add and reprogram the device. This is most commonly used when moving devices from one account to another, like a demo system or a testing setup. Something you need to be aware of before doing a hard reset. Each device has a secure key it receives when it joins a network. When you do a hard reset, it sets the device back to factory defaults and removes the secure key. During this process, the app and cloud are not aware that this has happened, with an end result of an orphan device in the app that cannot be controlled. You will want to remove the device from that account first and then do the reset. To reset these devices, you start with the device powered on. Power off the device, wait 4 seconds. Power on the device, wait 6 seconds. Repeat this sequence 4 times, with the last time leaving the device powered on. Let's do this together. I'm going to count and tell you when to power on and off the device. Starting with the device powered on, here we go. Power off, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Power on, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Power off, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Power on, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Power off, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Power on, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Power off, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, and power on. If the device you are resetting is a fixture adapter or relay adapter, and it's connected to a fixture, after 10 seconds the light will flash twice. To verify if the hard reset worked, see if it's available to be added in the app.